Windows 11's indexing tool is vital if you want fast access to your files, but sometimes the operating system will pause it for seamlessly no reason. And you will get an error that the indexing is paused. So this video is about how to fix Windows 11's indexing is paused error. So what is indexing tool? The indexing tool in Windows lets you find your files and folders in a quick and easy manner. If the tool doesn't exist, your Windows search result would take a long time to complete. So I'm going to show you some of the effective troubleshooting methods that will help you identify and fix the problem in no time. So let's start. The first one is restart the search service. So for that, first you have to go and open the Run dialog box. Just open this Run app, and from here just type in services.msc. Now once you are inside the services window, locate and right click on Windows Search. Yeah, it's here. Just right click on this Windows Search and select the properties. Now expand the drop down menu associated with the startup type and choose automatic delayed start. It's already in automatic delayed start. Sometimes it will be automatic manual or disabled state. So change it to automatic delayed start. Now if the service is not running, you have to click on the start button and then click on apply and then OK. And if the service is already running, click on the stop button and then restart the service again. Just click on stop, then you have to restart it again. Then click on OK. Now alternately, you can also use the task manager to restart the search services. Launch the task manager. Just go and open task manager, and then you have to move to the services tab. And now from here, look for W search. Yeah, this is it. Just find W search and then you have to right click on it and you have to restart it. You can see that it stopped and restarted. This will resume indexing on your Windows 11 system. Now the next method is to run the search and indexing troubleshooter. So for that, first you have to go and open the Windows settings. From here, just go to the Windows settings and then choose System, and then on the right pane just go to troubleshoot, and from here to the other troubleshooters. And now in this window, scroll down to the other sections and click on a run button associated with search and indexing. You can see it here. Just click on run. Then choose the issues you are having in following dialog and click next. For example, I am selecting search or indexing is slow, then click on next. Once done, the troubleshooter will be scanning for potential problems. If any issues are identified, it will provide you with the option to apply the recommended fix or skip it. Now you can restart your computer and check if the issues is solved. Now the third solution is rebuild search index. So how you can do that? So first you have to launch the control panel and then type indexing. You can search for indexing in search menu. Now you will get the option indexing option here. Just click on that. Now in this dialog box, just click on advanced. And here in the troubleshooting section, just click rebuild. And if you click on OK, the Windows will start rebuilding indexing now. It will take some time to complete the indexing process, so you have to wait for that. So these are the many methods you can use to fix Windows 11's indexing issues. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.